Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Rog here and today I'm going to be cooking a really delicious and creamy butter chicken curry served up with some chips. Delicious. This is what we need. We're going to need some chicken. I've cut these into about 2-inch chunks. We're going to need 1 whole white onion that's been cut up. Here I've got some ginger, about 1/2 inch, and 3 cloves of garlic. Here I've got some sugar and salt, some tomato paste. We're going to need a hefty squirt of this stuff, and some water, about 1/2 litre or a pint. Some curry powder, just any one of your choice really. Now we're going to need some butter, otherwise it wouldn't be a butter chicken, would it? And these are our spices. We've got ground cumin, turmeric, ground coriander, ground paprika, and we've got about 1 teaspoon of each. Now also I've got 2 tablespoons full of garam masala. Here I have 1.5 cups of creme fraiche. We also need the juice of half a lemon and some coriander. I keep mine in the freezer. And we're going to start with a bowl, obviously, and we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons full of creme fraiche and a teaspoon of our curry powder. Just a medium one I've used, but like I said before, you can use whichever one you want. So we're going to give this a mix together. Once that's got itself all incorporated, we're going to add our chicken pieces. We're going to pop all of those into this creme fraiche and curry powder. Give this a mix together. Get the chicken nicely coated, and then we're going to keep this to one side and just let it marinate for about an hour, maybe 2. While that's happening, we'll get a pan on our hob on a medium heat. Put in some cooking oil, followed by a hefty knob of butter. Oh, I do love this butter. In that goes. If you mix the two together, then you'll find the butter won't burn. Firstly, we'll put in our chopped up onion, and we're going to cook this down for about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more, until it gets soft and changes flavour and gets nice and sweet. Then we can go in with our ginger and garlic that's been chopped up. I've got about 3 cloves of garlic in there and about 1/2 inch of chopped up ginger. Then we can put all of our spices in, all in one go, followed by our tomato paste. Quite a bit of this, can't go wrong with this. This is going to give it a real depth of flavour. So we're going to cook this for a little while until the spices come together and the tomato puree started to cook a little bit. Once that's done, we can go in with our water. Now we're going to put a little bit in, mix this in nicely, get all those lumpy bumpy bits of your spices mixed into the water, and when that's done we're going to add the rest of the water. And we're going to want to simmer this for about 15 or 20 minutes until the onions have cooked right down, and so has the ginger and the garlic. Then we can move on to the next step, which will be to whiz it up. Use a stick blender, whiz it up until it's really nice and smooth. Then go in with our juice of 1/2 lemon, followed by our chicken. Now we want to fold this in gently, and obviously we're going to get it coated in that lovely curry sauce that we've made. And we're going to let this cook for about 20 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons full of butter, the rest of our creme fraiche. Mix this all together and let it boil. It looks as if it's going to split a bit, but keep cooking it and that will definitely mix in. I'm just going to finish this off by snipping in some coriander that I've had frozen in the freezer. It freezes really well, this stuff, and this is going to really add some really nice flavour. Then it's time to plate up. Now guys, doesn't that look delicious? this is our tea for tonight. And there are those lovely chips on the side. You'll find chips and curry sauce really go down together well. Oh look, a couple of poppadoms in the background. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget guys, subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Join me in the next video and I'd love it. You'd love it too. See you then and bye from me, bye from my kitchen.